How long have you not asked yourself, who am I? Why does my life live? We are often lost in external expectations and pressure, playing the role that others like, but forget to listen to our inner voice. And when difficulties come and failure strikes, how to find the direction in the dark? The answers of life are hidden in the depths of the heart. When you learn to accept yourself and find your true self, only by seeing yourself can you be freed from the bondage and find the true meaning of life. Do you often suppress your true self for fear of being denied and try to pursue the image of perfection? However, real strength comes from accepting one's imperfections. All the hardships and struggles stem from the constant judgment and resistance to oneself. Try to say to yourself, I am me, and I deserve to be loved like this. When you learn to accept your inner fear, vulnerability, and pain of the past, you will find that those parts you resist are actually the nourishment of growth. The real you is the most unique and powerful existence. Our pain often comes from the pain of the past, the vision of others, and even the fear of the future. However, only by letting go of persistence can we gain freedom and peace. Life is like a lake. When you stick to the waves of the past, the lake will never calm down. Try to let go, let the past go with the wind, and you will see the clear light at the bottom of the lake. Letting go is not to escape, but to learn to forgive yourself and let the soul regain relief. Are you used to chasing the future, but miss the beauty in front of you? The present is the most real existence in life. When you learn to slow down and feel every breath and every moment, the meaning of life will naturally emerge. Don't let the regrets of the past or the uneasiness of the future take away your peace. Cherish every moment of the present and be grateful for the happiness in front of you, because this moment is the best time to find the purpose of life. In the storm of life, I often wear a mask to cover up the fragility of my heart and pretend to be strong. But true freedom comes from knowing yourself, admitting your fears, accepting your imperfections, and reconciling with your true self. Only by seeing through persistence and vanity can we touch our true self. When you are willing to take off your mask and embrace all yourself, including scars and uneasiness, please believe that everyone has infinite possibilities. The real you is stronger than you think. When I am in a low tide, my heart is often full of self-criticism and shame. However, love and compassion are the light that crosses the darkness. First of all, only by learning to treat yourself compassionately can you truly embrace the beauty of life. Show compassion to yourself, just like treating a close friend, and tell yourself, I am willing to forgive myself and love myself. When you tolerate the scars of the past with love, your heart will be relit by hope and strength.